This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a CSV file to Microsoft Excel even if you don't have Microsoft Excel. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. We're looking at an old business file, a data file. It's a CSV file, which means comma separated values. And you can see it's almost impossible to read this. What I want to do is I want to convert this type of file into Microsoft Excel. And even if you don't have it on your computer, there's an easy way to do this conversion using Google Sheets, and I'll show you how. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to open up Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a free program, or maybe you have it as part of your educational account or workspace account. Go to the checkerboard icon up here and look for Sheets, and then you can open it up. Once you get to this page, what you want to do is you want to go to the File Picker. File Picker is just basically a way to organize your files and upload files. Select the Upload tab. And then what you're going to do is you're going to browse your hard drive. It doesn't matter what type of computer system you're using, or you can just drag it there. I'm just going to drag it because it's easier. This is the file, Inventory Consignment Retail Units. It's from a long time ago. So I'm going to upload it to Google Sheets using the File Picker. And so Google Sheets will automatically convert it to the Google Sheets format. So now I can read this data, which is useful. But the other thing you can do is you can convert it. This is how. Go to File, then go to Download, and then Microsoft Excel XLSX. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this particular file. Let's just put it in the Downloads folder so I can find it more easily. And it just downloaded it. And then here it is right here. And I'm going to open this up in Excel just to test it. Just pretend that somebody else is opening this file up. Or I can email it as an attachment to somebody else and they can open it up in Excel. But basically this file was just opened up in Microsoft Excel, but it was created in Google Sheets, and it used to be a CSV file. So that's a really easy way to convert a CSV file to Microsoft Excel, even if you don't have Microsoft Excel, and it's using Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, check the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.